YouTuber here, and in this episode I will be showing you how to make a vending machine. Let me see. Terrace, where you want to come? Terrace. Oh, you barely can't hear you, Charles. Then, okay. As you can see, I have my Dampium skin. Don't worry about the leather armor. As you see, I have a texture pack as well as added. Which makes all this stuff look cool. So, that's yours. What we gonna be making today? Okay. He said vending machine if you guys didn't hear him. So, first we will be needing a button. We'll be needing some gold as well. We'll be needing a dropper and a dropper. So let's see what this dropper does. So, wait. We need a box to test it on. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Let's put some wood in it. There we go. And let's get this on it. Okay, no. It dropped it. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing today. We'll be making a vending machine. And we're also going to be needing some, we'll be needing some Red Bull. And we'll be needing, of course, redstone. And that we'll be needing a repeater as well. So we will want to make it right here. So we will want to make a wall right there, like that. And then we want to dig down one. Place the hopper. You might want to dig down two like that. I need to get gold, and then it drops into a dispenser if I can find it. Where's the dispenser? So the dispenser is right here. Oh wait, I want to see something because I just realized I want to see what the Steve head looks like on me. I like the texture though. Okay, let's get the dispenser right here. Okay, now we take that out. I can see that there's bedrock. So we will want to replace that real quick so we can get that down. We would want some redstone torches to keep it going. So when so the dispenser right there. So when you throw the gold ingot in, the dispenser activates and it throws it into right there. There's another dispenser. Wait, this is a dropper. Wait, we don't want this being a dropper. We want this to be we don't want this being a dropper. But we don't want this being a dispenser. We want it to be a dropper. So and then we have this right there, which is okay, so you'd want to do that, and you would want to put some redstone there. You'd want to dig down 2 as well, 3 actually. So you want to put a right into there, which will connect. I will connect this to that, and you want to dig down 3 as well. Put a dispenser there. And it would also connect to that. Wait. It will connect to that. Wait, and you want to dig out down 3 as well. So you'll want to connect those. And then that one, wait, hold on. Oh guys, I'll be back right in a second when I figure this out. Okay guys, I am back and I wanted to restart this because this is a little messed up here. Okay. What you'd want to do, you'd want to place 3 wool there, break the middle one, put a sapling down. Oh god. Okay guys, I am gonna, wait, I'm not gonna, I'm just going to get rid of all this because I'll have to do some redstone researching on how to make a vending machine for you guys. So, bye.